Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into mind-bending ideas. Today, we're tackling a paradox that's been puzzling thinkers for over 2000 years. It's called Zeno's Achilles and the tortoise paradox, and it's going to make you question everything you know about motion, time, and even reality itself. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's race into this brain twister. Oh, and stick around to the end for a question that'll spark some serious debate in the comments. Picture this: Achilles, the legendary Greek hero, is in a race against a tortoise. Yeah, you heard that right, a slow, plodding tortoise. Achilles is lightning fast, let's say 10 times faster than the tortoise. But here's the catch: the tortoise gets a head start. Maybe it's 10 meters ahead. Now, you'd think Achilles would zoom past that tortoise in no time, right? Well, not according to Zeno of Elea, an ancient Greek philosopher who dropped this paradox like a philosophical bombshell. He says Achilles can never catch the tortoise. Let's find out why. Here's how Zeno's paradox works. Achilles starts running toward the tortoise's starting point. By the time he gets there, the tortoise has crawled a little bit farther, say, 1 meter. No big deal, Achilles keeps going. But when he reaches that new spot, the tortoise has moved again, maybe just 10 centimeters. Every time Achilles catches up to where the tortoise was, the tortoise has inched forward. Zeno says this process goes on forever, dividing the distance into smaller and smaller gaps, infinitely. So, Achilles is stuck in this endless chase, never overtaking the tortoise. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? How can a super fast hero never catch a slowpoke tortoise? This paradox isn't just about a race, it's about infinity. Zeno's saying that to catch the tortoise, Achilles has to complete an infinite number of steps. And how do you finish something infinite in a finite amount of time? That's the mind-boggling question. Zeno wasn't just messing with us, he was challenging the very idea of motion. Is it even real? If space and time can be divided into infinite pieces, do we ever truly move? This paradox made philosophers and mathematicians scratch their heads for centuries, and it's still a wild thought experiment today. Okay, let's hit the brakes on the confusion. In the real world, we know Achilles catches the tortoise. If he's 10 times faster, he'll pass the tortoise in just over a second, math proves it. So how do we solve Zeno's puzzle? Enter calculus, the superhero of mathematics, developed by geniuses like Newton and Leibniz. They showed that an infinite series, like those tiny distances Achilles covers, can add up to a finite total. Think of it like this: 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 and so on equals 1. So, Achilles covers all those infinite gaps in a finite amount of time. Boom, paradox solved. But honestly, doesn't it still feel a bit weird? Zeno's paradox isn't just a math problem, it's a deep dive into how we understand reality. It asks, is time infinitely divisible? Does infinity exist in the real world? Or is motion just an illusion, as Zeno's teacher Parmenides believed? These questions influenced everything from philosophy to physics. Even today, scientists and thinkers debate the nature of space and time. Zeno's simple race makes us wonder, what is reality? And that's why this paradox is so cool: it takes a silly race and turns it into a cosmic mystery. So, here's the big question for you: can Achilles catch the tortoise, or does Zeno's paradox reveal something deeper about reality? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I want to hear what you think. And if your brain's buzzing from this paradox, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more mind-bending ideas. We've got plenty more where this came from. Until next time, keep questioning the universe. See you in the comments.